What's Gucci everyone? What's Hermes everyone? Welcome to my new video. So just in the beginning, this video is divided into 3 parts. First one is unboxing and general information. Second one is outfits and why I got it. And third one is what does it fit and what is in my bag. Thank you so much. Just use the timestamps and you will go directly where you want to go. Man, I hate doing intros. I mean, now you guys like watching me fold my blanket. Do you even want to watch that? I don't think so. Let me cut that. Oh, hello, handsome. Who's that? Hoo hoo hoo. Okay, let's look at the bag. Next, cut. Okay, not bad. I really don't get why people actually watch unboxings. I mean, anyway, so you have this orange bag, which you get from Hermes. They only use these orange bags. And then you also have this little box with a tie around it, also from Hermes, because it's an Hermes bag, right? And I actually made the tie myself, because I already unpacked it, and then I wanted to pack it again, so I had to make it myself. And I'm not good at this, but looks okay, right? Beautiful. Okay, let's open this bitch up. Man, I can never monetize my videos because I'll always swear. I think, woo. Guys, I know what you're all thinking. You're thinking, hey, you tricked us, there's only white tissue paper inside. Well, just wait a second, I only have one hand free, so it's a little bit of a struggle to unbox this for you guys, but I mean, it's so exciting, right? Come on, do it. Oh my god, just fucking open the bag. Oh my god, I fucking hate unboxing. Oh, man, another wrapping. Holy shit, man. Okay, this is a dust bag. Okay, comes in a dust bag. New angle, beautiful, let's go. Is he going to show us the bag? No, he's not, still the dust bag. Wow, man, we all came here for the dust bag, right? With this beautiful herringbone pattern. Oh, Hermes, so much quality. I mean, it is nice quality, but I mean, this bag is 1,290 euros, by the way. So you're expecting some quality, right? Well, struggle is real. Are you taking it out? Oh my god, this is a bag, beautiful. I actually really think it's beautiful. It's small, and there's something inside. Oh, another dust bag. What is inside that dust bag, you might thinking? Well, we're gonna find out in a second. And there's like a card for, it says like what sort of leather it is or something. I never read it, doesn't matter, right? Information, it is made out of Torillon Clermont leather. Man, I don't even know if I pronounced it correctly. Anyways, oh my god, they just take out the strap. Sorry, I was on a website right now. Oh, and I'm putting it on right away. Holy moly, beautiful. Well, it comes with a strap, obviously, but that strap is made out of canvas, not leather. And those are palladium, wait. It says it here, 1 second, I'm gonna find that shit.
A few moments later.
Palladium plated hardware, great. Actually, while I was looking what palladium even is, I just realized mine is gold plated, not palladium plated. The silver ones are palladium plated. So now you guys know, silver hardware by Hermes is palladium plated, not gold plated. Hehe, oopsie. To the last part is the history of this handbag. Hermes customers love history, and the Evelyne certainly does have some history. It was meant to be used for storing horse grooming tools, hence why also the H is perforated so these grooming tools can breathe. I think this is the worst part of this handbag. I mean, this is not even history. This is for horse grooming tools, really? Oh man, oh my god, we're already in the new next part, so I'm gonna like cut it here and like put like a new screen. So see you in a second. Hey. I just quickly want to touch upon one point, and it is about that handbags are only for girls. No, I do not think that is the case. I think handbags are extremely practical, and also it doesn't mean that you're gay when you're wearing a handbag. And yeah, just be open-minded. Fashion is so diverse nowadays. Yeah, don't live under a rock. Thank you very much. Now I can finally show you different outfits and how I like to wear it. I like to wear this bag only crossbody, and I love wearing black anyways, and well, as you guys see, I wear a lot of black, so for me this is just like an all-day outfit. I can go to a bar with that, I can just like be friends with that. Just a chill outfit, love it. I actually prefer wearing it under my coat because it is a bit safer, so no one steals my wallet or my phone out of it. Here comes my next outfit, and this is also the reason why I love this bag so much, because it looks so sporty and it has such a cool vibe with like just like a white linen shirt. Very cool summer vibe. Man, so versatile. I also love the gold, makes it look very elegant as well, so yeah. Next outfit. Man, that outfit is even sportier, and I think this bag still goes so well with it. Even though I think the gold makes it look very elegant, but you can just rock it because of the shape. So sporty, and I even can rock it as a shoulder bag, and it looks more like a camera bag here. But man, with a lot of vibe, even with some navy there, looks gorgeous. Love it. And my last outfit, a sporty kimono suit. I feel like you can wear that like when you go out for dinner, something like that. Man, that looks fucking sick, doesn't it? Man, I love this bag. Looks so cool. Looks very... It elevates the outfit, and I love this about this handbag. And you stop dancing now, thank you very much. So let's get to the point. What is inside my bag and what actually fits inside this little bag? Not much, you think? Well, you're not completely wrong. Not that much does fit inside, but a lot of people actually they use a insert for this bag in order to have like some little bags for cars and so on. I don't. I just put everything inside. First thing I have is my iPhone Pro Max and fits in perfectly. Then I have a mask against coronavirus, very important right now. Then I have a Bottega Veneta men's wallet. I think I'm going to change it up for a card holder because the wallet is quite big actually. And I have a Chanel lip balm. Perfect. Recommended. Boy de Chanel. Focus, yeah. Well, last but not least, no, actually I have more. Yeah, I have a Bikilian perfume inside. The perfume is called Forbidden Games. Smells like peaches and fruits, very nice. And last but not least now, yeah, a pen, because you never know when you need a pen for signatures or whatever. Always good, and it's also gold, you know, fits with the bag, gold and black. Well, now let's test if you're a smoker, if the cigarettes are actually fit inside. Well, first, if you're a smoker, you need a lighter, so I have a Zippo, just put that inside. And I just use these cigarettes because they look good, right? They're gold and black, perfect for the handbag. If I would be smoking, I just collect cigarettes. But if I was smoking, I would use these. Put them inside, cigarettes fit, and now I'm going to try putting my wallet, and spoiler alert, it doesn't fit, man. I mean, at the end it will fit, but then I can't put in my phone. So you see, when you're smoking, this bag might not be for you unless you're using a card holder. If you use a card holder, it should be fine. But yeah, at the end of the day, it fits everything what I usually carry around with me. So it is a perfect bag for me. So I thank you guys so much for watching. I wish you a great evening. Actually, I just got this bag yesterday and I made this video today. And today we're all supposed to stay at home in Germany right now because of coronavirus. So I had nothing to do and I made this video. So thank you so much for watching. Cheers and bye bye guys. Oh, also subscribe for new content please. Thank you.